Push it up, the chain closes. Pull it down, the same chain comes apart. How? Every tooth is trapped by two teeth from the other side. Its neighbors never touch it, and they block the way out. Inside, a Y-shaped channel and a single solid wedge, the separating tongue, cast into the body. Nothing in here moves. Now drag it back down, and the same wedge point plows into the closed chain, levering every single tooth apart. When a zipper splits open behind the slider, the teeth are usually fine. The channel has spread. Squeeze it back, gently. One casting, both jobs. All you changed was direction. Your bag zipper is different.